Jennifer, and I'm here today to show you guys the next devotional kit from DaySpring. So we're going to dive right in. Thank you to DaySpring for sending me the kit. I really appreciate it so that I can work through it and share it with all of y'all. And we are working through the second kit in this series, a little mini series. It was just 2 kits in the series, and this is the next kit in the Holly Girth What's True About You kit, and this one is called God's Friend. So let's get started looking at it, but I want to tell you one little announcement after we go through the kit. So you have to keep watching, and I want to show you all of this and then tell you something that you really need to know that's important, okay? So we have, again, this beautiful bright yellow tissue, the same type of floral design. Last month the letters were done in pink. This time they're done in like an orangey yellow color. So keeping with the same colors somewhat, and then adding a few more colors, sort of like we did with the Women of the Bible kits. That way you can use the supplies you have from the last kit with this one as well. And that makes it a nice bang for your buck. So again, you have your little, I call it like a title card or something, your intro card that comes with each kit that tells you a little bit about the kit, a little bit about Holly, and then what you can expect to get in your kit, and a little bit of the color swatches here in case you want to match any supplies. You're going to get your 4 devotional cards. They do come wrapped. I had just already opened mine so I could look at them. And you have everything you need. And you'll get a little bit of devotional writing here with a couple of reflection questions. You are growing, and so you can tell most of the colors in the last kit were the yellow, the pink, a little bit of reddish color. And now we're adding in some orange for this one. So a lot of fun colors for spring and summer. We're adding in even some purple and green, saying you are God's friend for that next one. And then this one's probably my favorite because I just like this kind of like turquoisey aqua color that's really pretty. You are making a difference. So really fun devotional cards. We're getting the same florals, but we're adding some other florals in with it that are different this time besides these little flowers. And so I like that they've kind of added a few more touches to it. So like I said, it goes with the first kit. We're continuing with that theme, but it also stands along great as well. If you didn't have the first kit or you're not able to get it. Then you're also going to have, I'm going to look at this little card to tell us what's in it because I always feel like I call things the wrong things and I want to be clear about what's in it. So you have this little bag that I like to repurpose and use to hold little bits and printables that I cut out. But you'll get these 11 little paper pieces. They're thick like cardstock pieces. Grow. This one's my favorite. Love this one. These florals are amazing. And if you know Holly Girth and her products, they're really pretty. Colors, the watercolors, the flowers. I love this one. I hope that this one's included. You know, they always do a free bonus printable pages for you. So I'm hoping this one's included on it because I'm going to use this for so many more printable entries if it's a printable. I love that one. Then you have another little word title, Trust. So maybe the titles will go with the devotionals. I didn't look that closely, but that would be cool. Another little floral. Faithful. God's Friend. Difference Maker. World Changer. These are fun little titles. Learn. I like that one. I like that one a lot. With the alphabet that matches the title. Becoming and Hope. That one's fun. So what I like to do with these, sometimes if you look at one and you think it's just not working for you, like the size, maybe this one, I don't want it to be just blocked. I'll just cut out the word and use it. So make these work for you if you don't like exactly the way they're looking on a page, the way they come. Now, we've got stamps this time. So fun. Let me find something white to put behind it so you can see it better. So these are stamps that I'm super excited about, and I'll tell you why, because these are stamps you're going to be able to use over and over and over for any entry you want to do, stamping on a card, anything like that. So we have He is faithful, I trust in Jesus, my hope is in Him, always near. This Grow and Believe are actually individual stamps. See, they're individuals. They're not all one word. So you could reuse these, and the Believe is the same way. You could reuse these. They're just individual stamps. So no, you don't have the whole alphabet, but if you wanted to mix and match these letters with other stamps that you have, that would be cool. And then this one is my favorite one out of the whole kit, because I love the dots. The little spotty dot. I could use this for any entry at any time. So these are stamps I'll probably be leaving out in my little box that I have all the time to keep products that I use over and over for different entries, because those are going to be so versatile. Love those stamps. Okay, then we have the stickers. These are the alphabet stickers. The last kit, they were the hot pink color. This one's more of an orange to me. If it's not yellow really. If it is, it's very, very burnt, dark yellow. To me, it's orange, more of a burnt orange color. Love those. You get 3 sheets, so that kind of helps you have enough letters, especially with the E's, because those seem to go quick. Also a title sticker. They always come with one of these that tells you the title of the kit. You get this little sheet of the little note cards. They're perforated, so they rip apart very easily. The last kit, I ended up using mine on my little devotional flip book or my ring that I did. I have another video showing you how I put it together, and I'll leave a link to it down below. But these are fun. You could even use in an entry or to pass along in a card. And then the kit also comes with a card, as always. There's a little extra bonus there. And this one is gorgeous. This is all like embossed. All of this right here is embossed with this gold foiling, which is super fun. And I'm just realizing all of that detail on the card matches the same detail here on your stamp set. So you could always, you know, use this to embellish your envelope if you wanted, and it would match. But it's just really nice quality. The paper is very thick, almost like a watercolor thick paper. And then you have this little extra that always comes on her cards. It seems like the last one had a little gift, and it's a really cute bookmark that matches it. So that's super fun to pass along and really pay it forward. And then this kit, we're getting 2 washies instead of just 1. So we have stamps again, which is a bonus. And now we're getting 2 washies. And these are really, really pretty. This reminds me like of a creamsicle orange color in a way, but it says full of grace, full of hope, full of possibility. And those are 3 little phrases there. And you get the little flowers that match along with the kit throughout the whole thing. Always lots of washi on it. It always lasts a long time. So I really like that. And then I like this one, has to be my favorite, because I like the titles or sayings on that one, but this one's fun because it's just the flowers with the little watercolor, a white background, and all of the different colors of flowers that we see in the kit. So a lot of fun there. If you love washi, then you want to grab this one because you've got 2 washis in it. Which would be great for using in a planner. Yeah, I've got to fix this one too, but you could use this in a planner and lots of places, on cards. We got our stamp set again, which is really fun. And another thing I'm loving is these new colors of florals that they have included. Love, love, love this. So also, don't forget, you'll get your, should be getting 4, I think it's 4 or 5 pages of bonus printable downloads. Those are sent to you the day after you purchase your kit in an email, so you can print out and use them over and over as much as you want. You don't have to feel like you need to hoard any of the supplies that come in the kit. That's always fun. And usually, I don't have them, but usually it's a lot of times the stamp set, you'll see it in printable stickers. A lot of times it's the alphabet stickers, even the paper pieces a lot of times are also and that free printable. So that's always fun. And last month, one thing I did was I was talking about a while ago the little flip book or the ring using the album rings. And I put the devotional cards on there where I could flip them over. I had papers put in it, these little cards. And I've liked doing that and working through the first kit that way. And so I'm going to do that again for this one. If you guys would like, I can come back and do another video showing you how mine is all put together, if that would be helpful. Let me know down below in the comments, and I would love to do that for you guys and show it to you. Also, wanted to tell you the announcement now before I forget. This is actually going to be the very last kit, Bible journaling kit from DaySpring for now, okay? So I know a lot of you are probably upset or disappointed. You've been loving the kits, but for right now, DaySpring is officially saying that this is their last Bible journaling kit temporarily, permanently. I'm not sure. As of now, they are working on other Bible journaling products and trying to really put a lot of their focus in Bible journaling products and also in developing some new journaling Bibles. So that's really exciting because I know a lot of you have had special requests on Bibles, on the Illustrating Bible, wanting different versions, different colors. A lot of you have asked for Spanish and things like that. They recently had a survey come out that they wanted people to answer about journaling Bibles and those kinds of things. And so I'm hoping that we are going to be able to see a lot of your guys' requests being taken into consideration, which I feel like they are if they're taking this time to do that. It is with sad heart, though, that the kits are not going to be made each month right now. So hopefully we will be able to come back with some better news and a new plan. Once they kind of have some things worked out and established, I would love to see them come back out with more kits. So keep that in mind, that you're going to be seeing new products with Bible journaling and maybe some new versions of Bibles. They're always working on new things. So don't be too upset. I hate change. I despise it. So hearing the news was kind of like, oh, it just tugged at my heart. So I am doing my best to stay positive and encouraged, and I want you guys to do the same too. Let's encourage each other. So let's talk about it down in the comments. If you have any concerns, questions, comments about this change, let me know below so we can help each other, because I know change is really hard for me, and if you're like me, it may take you a little bit to process this, but the good news is you do have this kit still, and what I love is that it goes along with the first What's True About You by Holly Girth, and I've loved it. I've loved what Holly has spoken and said, and the promises that are true about each of us, that God says, and not the enemy. So be sure you grab this one. If you've been waiting to get a kit, hey, now's a great time to do it before they do not make the kits anymore. I know there are still kits available, so you can go back and get previous kits, but if you're like me and you like to collect things and have everything in a series, now's the time to do it. I will leave a link down below where you can grab the kit from DaySpring. I appreciate all your guys' support all the time, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. If you would like to see the flip ring again, let me know using the cards, or if you want to talk about the changes, I'd love to do that too in the comments below. And I will be back again very soon. See you guys later. Bye-bye.